trampoline park for the kids और I thought to share it with you all क्योंकि बच्चे बहुत excited होते हैं यहाँ आने के लिए and they are really excited today. तो मैं समझती हूँ it's a very good indoor activity for the kids and the park is very good. So as you can see at the back of my it's long big area और मैं भी आगे चल के आपको दिखाती हूँ. And the better thing is that they're taking very good care of this COVID recipes and all that. क्योंकि यहाँ आने के लिए बच्चों को अपने socks यहाँ से खरीदने पड़ते हैं. That is actually drip socks. और they are sanitizing the area continuously. So I think it's very good. So let's go and see how the kids are doing. There are lots of activities in here and that's it. So let's go. और आज आप देख सकते हैं कि मैं सबको लेकर आई हूँ बच्चों को एक आउटडोर ट्रिप पे. और आउटडोर ट्रिप जो है वो एक इंडोर पार्क में है जो कि है एयरबोर्न ट्रैम्पोलिन पार्क. और दिस इज़ अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड क्योंकि यहाँ बच्चों के साथ हम कर रहे हैं आउटडोर एक्टिविटी और उस एक्टिविटी में हम आएंगे उनको लेकर यहाँ. Why I bought this here because आप कि बच्चे आजकल they just like to be in the with the electronic gadgets. They like just sit in front of the TV most of the time, use iPad, laptop, whatever. So आज की episode it's all about making them involved in some kind of physical activity and that is very good. So this is actually in Rockwood Park in Melbourne. Or if you are living in Melbourne, please give it a try. And this is a very fabulous place. Less crowded today, less people in here because उन्होंने 1 घंटे की बुकिंग कराई थी हमने. And this is excellent place. I must recommend it. A 5-star. And look at my back. It's very good, right? So all in here. और बहुत सारी इधर जो है facilities भी हैं. And the best thing for me was it was very close to my house, just 4 minutes drive. So you give it a try. So प्यारे बच्चों अपने मम्मी डैडी के साथ आप यहाँ ज़रूर आएँ और enjoy करें. So very good. और I hope कि सारा एरिया आपको अच्छे से नज़र आ रहा होगा और आप देख रहे हैं how nicely this is done. So I will give it a 5-star and you guys must come with your mummy daddies, all little children. अपने मम्मी डैडी के साथ यहाँ ज़रूर आएँ. If you are living in Melbourne and if you are living somewhere nearby to the Roxburgh Park area, it is in Roxburgh Park area, okay? So keep watching the whole episode. It's much fun and so much excitement it must be, okay? So keep watching. और दिखाऊँ मैं आपको ये सारे बच्चे इधर कुछ टीम्स बनी हुई हैं और that boy there है the staff in here. वो मुस्तकिल बच्चों को बता रहा है कि इस तरह से इसको खेलना है और कैसे क्योंकि कुछ टीम्स बनी हुई हैं तो ये सेक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा है. और छोटे बच्चों का एरिया अगर आप इधर देख सकती हैं कि उन्होंने कुछ इधर बास्केटबॉल सेक्शन बनाया है और ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि स्कूल माहौल है, कोई शोर शराबा इतना नहीं है एंड एवरीबडी इज जस्ट एंजॉयिंग द वे इट इज. और बच्चों की एक फिजिकल एक्टिविटी हो रही है. थोड़ा सा बच्चे सब मोबाइल और iPad और एटलीस्ट स्क्रीन टाइम इनका कम हो रहा है, इसलिए मुझे बहुत अच्छी है. मैं ज़रूर रिकमेंड करूँगी सारे बच्चे अपने मम्मी डैडी के साथ यहाँ आएँ और इन्जॉय करें इस एरिया को क्योंकि आई एम गोइंग टू bring my kids again someday, maybe next weekend. क्योंकि फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इज मस्ट these days, right? तो बच्चे बहुत इमोबाइल हो चुके हैं. उनको they are just going to fix on their mobile, electronic gadgets. So you're not going to use your gadgets anymore. Come in here or any other place where you can have more plenty of time with the kids, with more equipments, more body movements, more some physical activities. So it's a must try thing. So there's Aniha doing something or this is also a part of their learning. एक और सेक्शन यहाँ है जो कि बच्चे अब करने जा रहे हैं और वो देखते हैं कि हम इस साइड को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं कि अब क्या होने वाला है. So he's telling something. are today, the Airborne Trampoline Park, and we have one of the representatives with us, and she's going to tell us how they're doing it and what program they're offering and how the equipment's working in here. So, yes, can you just explain us?
Yes,
Yes,
so here at Airborne we run as a sessional time, so we're always on the hour every hour.
Okay.
The children get a full hour of jumping and they're allowed to go all over the venue. So we've got a few different courts if you want to turn around. We've got a few different courts. We've got an airbag section, an elite section over there. We've got our dodgeball and basketball section there. And then we've got our main court open games. We've got our staff members always supervising, making sure they're following all our rules. Safety is our top priority here. And as long as all the kids are having fun, the parents are enjoying themselves, that's all we ask for here.
Yeah, because there's a cafe area, small cafe area at the back where the moms can sit, they can enjoy the coffee or whatever they want to have. A little me time in here. Then that is very, that's a very positive point to add in here. Okay, so how much does it cost and what about the socks policy? You gave us a new socks in the beginning, yeah?
So our prices range from height. So anyone under 110 centimeters is $10 and anyone over 110 centimeters is $15 for an hour. And then they do get additional socks, which are our Airborne grip socks that are to be worn all the time on our trampolines for safety, which are $2 and you do get to keep them. So you take them home and you just bring them back. They're very easy that way.
Oh, that's very nice. Okay, so and what's your name, please?
My name's Catherine.
Okay, Catherine, so it was a very nice session with you and I really enjoy it. This is the first time I'm coming in here. I live very nearby. I live actually in Roxy Park and I always, get fascinated to bring my kids in here one day. So, well, anyways, thanks for your time and your space is fabulous and my kids are really enjoying it.
Hopefully they are. And hopefully we'll see you next time and anyone else coming in. Always make sure you give us a call or go through our online website and then we'll go on from there.
Yeah, thanks for your time.
It's my pleasure.
Thanks.
Have a good
So,
day.
keep watching. So today everybody is here, Aliha, Ali Raza, Arham Murtaza, and this guide is guiding everybody about how it's gonna be. और बच्चे बहुत enjoy करने वाले हैं. He's explaining this trampoline thing.
At Airborne Elite, we set the ball and not let it be jumping on top of it. Basketball and dodgeball, make sure we're not kicking the ball off the top of the hoop. And remember also, we're going to be at stages, so we're going to be here first. And then we're going to start over here. And then from there, we're going to go all the way to basketball. But once we're at basketball, so once we go to basketball, we can't come back here just because we have to start cleaning it, okay? Once you have to start following the lead, we'll show you how to go, okay? Alright, so go over there with you guys.
So here we go. So these are the safety rules and it should be to minimize the risk of injury to yourself and others. Please follow these rules and adhere to all airborne staff instructions. So never dive head first into the pit. Only jump in when given the all clear airborne staff. And don't enter the airbox if others are on the way. So there's lots and lots more things that we are going to do. Here comes the flow. So we have to follow the SOPs things and he's in here. So let's start the journey. maintaining the social distancing. Okay, so let's do it here. And the people are sanitizing, if you can see there, the whole area. That's very important. And this is how the cafe area and everything in here. आज जिस बुक को हमने randomly select किया है for the book review, it is a very interesting book that is related to animals of the world, or this is a bunch of a lot of knowledge in it, और my kids really loved it. तो मेरी कोशिश होती है साथ साथ फिक्शन भी पढ़ाऊँ, मूवी बुक्स भी पढ़ाऊँ और इस तरह की इंफॉर्मेटिव बुक्स भी पढ़ें बच्चे. और दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड बुक. एक्चुअली ये लिव द फ्लैप वाली बुक है कि अफ्रीका में कौन से एनिमल्स हैं और हर एनिमल्स की इन्होंने हिस्ट्रीज बताई है. तो इस तरह से ये फ्लैपिंग बुक है. तो इस तरह की बुक्स वैसे अमेजिंग हो जाती हैं, बच्चे रियली इंजॉय, उन्हें काफ़ी कुछ मिल रहा होता है. तो इसके अंदर इन्होंने रेन फॉरेस्ट जो कि डिफरेंट हैबिटेट्स हैं इन्वायरमेंट की, लाइक रेन फॉरेस्ट है, ओशन है, सवाना है, पोलर एनिमल्स हैं, फॉरेस्ट एनिमल्स हैं, इस तरह से इन बुक्स को बताया है. और यूजुअली प्रेफरेंस मेरी ये रहती है कि हार्ड कवर बुक्स मिलें, क्योंकि फिर वो काफ़ी अर्से तक रहती हैं. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट एक्चुअली आई हैव टॉट माई किड्स एंड आई वांट यू एंड ऑल द किड्स टू डू द सेम. दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड एडवाइस कि अपनी बुक्स को बहुत केयरफुली रखा करें उसका मतलब, क्योंकि ये तो एक आपकी लाइफ लॉन्ग कलेक्शन होती है. और जो बच्चे बुक कलेक्ट करने के उनको केयरफुली रखने के आदी होते हैं, उनके पास इन द एंड there's a big lots and lots of treasure. So जैसे ये J.K. Rowling ने भी कहा कि उसने कहा कि if you don't like reading book, so I think you are not choosing a good book. तो बच्चों को हमें खुद इंटरेस्ट पैदा करना है, and this is a very good activity, especially
Think High Consultants. We are registered education and migration consultants, offer following services: student visas, admissions, change of course of provider, skilled migration visas, temporary activity visas, employer sponsored visas, partner visas, parent visas, health cover for all types of visas, visitor tourist visas, business visas, NAATI CCL preparation classes, professional year programs, IELTS and PT classes, coaching programs for new education and migration agents, and many more.
Contact Think Higher Consultants. Provide personalized and on-spot services, leads to permanent visa pathways and Australian citizenship. Facebook/Think Higher Consultants. Twitter/Think Higher House. Instagram/Think Higher Consultants.